healthy breakfast today.
After a run.
I've been wanting to go to this restaurant.
Like a cafe, not a restaurant. Cafe.
Well, cafe, yeah. Well, they serve healthy food. Healthy biscuits, cookies, brownies. So I'm excited.
Go, go, go. AVO CAFE.
Vegetarian, gluten and dairy free, okay? Because we are first vegan vegetarian cafe in Waterford. Completely white sugar free, completely white salt free. We use just Himalayan salt and xylitol. On the sugar part you can find just xylitol, sugar for birch, hardwood trees, okay? That's our bread. That's our like a scone about a rock. Rag buns we call them, with our blueberries, and this one is lemon custard tartars. That's avocado chocolate tartar that's supposed to eat today because it's last day. That's really nice. Protein bar and caramel square from Six Pack Snack, and from Granny Maddox our vegan brownie.
Ano sa'yo?
Super power breakfast bowl.
Breakfast bowl, super power.
So
Yeah,
guys,
thank
could you
you.
sit down now? Tap water is for free over here. You can help yourself.
Thank you.
Secret mix herbs.
Oh yeah?
Himalayan salt, pepper, water, and chickpea flour. That's
Okay.
it's really easy to do.
It's very secret.
That's very secret.
We're experiencing like a first-hand kind of how it's being prepared, all the things, all the food that we eat. So it's so fresh, like it's so good to see that you know, they're like whatever you're eating or we will be eating over there, it's actually being done.
Yeah, if you order avocado, I cut this avocado.
Yeah, we're having some. We're waiting for the
this.
AVO.
I think this is the one I'm going to have.
We have our avocado toast. It's buckwheat bread, our buckwheat bread with our sun-dried tomato hummus, with avocado and Broadfield Farm eggs on the top, and our Dijon dressing with the salad. Over
Lovely.
here. Here we go. Everything
yummy.
is good and organic. And this one is our chickpea omelette.
Oh, I think that's good.
That's really nice. What you make with our Dijon dressing as well. Everything is vegan, gluten and dairy free.
So
And
you
so
heard that,
tasty.
guys. It's so yummy, 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 yummy.
And then we have green avanona smoothie, which is with apple, avocado, coconut milk, kiwi
Lovely.
inside, and then on the top, then kiwi, apple. We have flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and goji berries.
Oh, gorgeous.
And it's all healthy, good stuff.
Healthy good stuff. Thank you very much.
Okay, so this is our skin renewal smoothie, one of my favorites. It's with raspberries, strawberries, a spoon of acai powder, lime, coconut milk, pineapple. This one is our clean ingredient, so this will detox your body. It's a juice in our slow press juicer. It's with kale, apple, kiwi, lemon. There is celery, cucumber.
No, you just ruined that.
I know, guys.
Oh, Americano.
Almond, unroasted, unsweetened milk.
Perfect. So the almond would be.
That's almond
That's the
milk.
almond. Almond
Yes.
milk. Ah, okay.
Unroasted, unsweetened. And your
Right.
macchiato.
Oh, lovely.
Here we go. That's
Thank you.
pleasure.
Okay. How is it so far?
Amazing. Refreshing.
Yeah.
It's refreshing. It's nice.
It's actually my first time to have something like a kind of a breakfast like this. Usually it's like there's eggs, there's like all those things. So we're kind of trying to
It tastes
have something like a different, yeah. And obviously, you know, it's healthy. So if it's healthy, then it makes sense. Wow. Yan. That's this mixture. There's, this is the bulk of,
it's actually chickpea.
yeah.
So try it.
So
Can you taste the chickpea?
yummy.
It's so refreshing.
Like you're not guilty that you're having some like a bowl of
Yeah.
breakfast. How about you, Joanne? Have you
I'm
had this before?
speechless. I can't say a word.
Oh.
We have a chocolate vegan porridge with strawberries and walnuts. And they are completely vegan and gluten-free and dairy-free. And I'll bring you some sample to taste.
Oh,
Here you go.
lovely.
That's
thank
warm
you.
breakfast.
Great warm breakfast.
Yes.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So how did you come up with the name AVO CAFE?
Oh, the name is from avocado, my favorite fruit, because it's the veg or fruit what I made them a couple years ago. I've never eaten them before, and I was very surprised for the taste. And another thing, that's nutritious what they get it. That's natural fat, that's really healthy, and you can make a lot of things with avocado, like a salads, like example smoothie, drinks. So they're so good for your body. So they come from, because I eat avocado every day at this moment, and my family as well. So they come from AVO CAFE from avocado.
How did you come up with the concept of the cafe?
It's happened a couple years ago because I was very sick. I had a size 16, 18 after my second pregnancy, mold, depression, and I lost my complete immune system. Of course, doctor tried to help me all the time, give me tablets, medicine, steroids, but it's not working because I was sick again and get lots of time of high fever. And the next step they said that will be sepsis for my chest infection because I had a lot. So one day I come back to my home crying, take out all pills from my box, throw out to the bin, and say that's it, supposed to be a different way. And I asked Google, just okay, what can I help me? And first sentence what I found is, you are what you eat. Okay, so step by step I'm looking for a deeper and deeper, and both a lots of nutrition books, talk with nutritionists, people, just coach as well, and they say to me, suppose change your diet, throw out, first make a detox, that's what your body need, okay, because Cadbury chocolate was my favorite before. I eat the chocolate all the time, every day. I live around the Artkin, so KFC was my second home. We eat a lot of high processed food every day, a lot of meat, a lot of dairy, a lot of gluten every day, So everything we put to the microwave or oven, and voila, we have a dinner. It's not working. The same, my kids was so sick all the time. They root, and they were so tired, so me as well. And one day, okay, that's it. And I tried to find a healthy way, chop, do everything, make a smoothie per day, looking for more healthy alternatives. My first shopping was more like 5 hours. I'm standing in the shop and crying because I start first time in my life reading the labels, And I see a lots of things what's supposed to be inside. Example, wheat. Example, sugar, glucose, fructose syrup inside. So aspartame. Oh my goodness, aspartame. There's a long story about aspartame. So just I started looking for a deeper, just just more knowledge. And one day my friends was working, of course. My friends told me, Donia, you're supposed to show the people this healthy food is not disgusting food, okay? Because a lot of people say, okay, you are dairy, gluten-free, sugar-free, wheat-free. What do you eat? So I'm joking, grass and stones. But it's not true. I do a lot of delicious food, which you can taste it over here.
Yes.
And yeah, it's working. And we start to show the people just healthy food is really nice food. So I opened a couple years ago first a vegan and vegetarian small healthy bar in the town. But after I met Dr. Rowe and he's dreaming about healthy cafe, so just I opened this space over here 2 years ago. It's working now.
Oh, it's very good. I've been wanting to come here, really.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. And you can imagine people thinking, oh, gluten-free? Not really. Sugar-free? Not really. And after that, I make a sample a lot, how you see it. Just people just come in to the pharmacy, go into the doctor and try the taste. I say, oh, it's gluten-free. Oh, it's dairy. I say, yes, it's vegan. Oh, vegan. And it tastes nice. I say, yes, that's right. So just talking about me, I make a detox programs for the sick people as well, talking with Dr. Rowe as well. And we do a lot of baking classes. Last summer was very popular over here. Was to show the people just how to make the food, because people thinking just like healthy food is really, really hard to make themselves at home.
Yes.
It's not true, and it's not too expensive. Like people thinking like just like when you eat a veg. My diet, 70% of my diet is a vegetable raw.
Right.
That's right. I eat a really less of the any wheat, like a buckwheat, just from the bread in the morning. So we eat now. It's now time for a soup, so we eat a seasonal. We try to drop a seasonal veg to our soup at this moment, like a harvest is this moment. Yeah. So just we try to do everything just without high processed food. Yeah. So it's
And
it's
everything
working.
is chopped, cut, and everything. Is like
Yeah,
done
did you
in-
saw that?
I
Everything,
did.
when you order your food,
Yes.
everything from basic is fresh.
Fresh,
That's
yeah.
very important for me. So we are not like how to say the cafe or just takeaway food, just 5 minutes and go, because it's not a high processed food or like half processed food. Everything from basic is made by our hands. So if you can wait in 10-15 minutes, just minimum, for your smoothie, for your meal, that will be so great. And our customer, they know that at this moment. You can call to us if you rush. We do a lot of things for takeaway in the, how you see, like salads, sandwiches to go, because a lot of people that are living around or walking around us come in and take away a lot of things. AVO CAFE in Waterford Health Park on the Missis-k Road. We are open from Monday till Friday, from 9 till 4:30 or 4:15 if we will be busy. So all welcome.
There you go, guys. We had a very healthy breakfast. It's so refreshing. It feels so.
I think that's the healthiest breakfast in Waterford so far.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Cafe,
an
I
amazing
think.
story by the owner herself.
Yes.
So
That you are what you eat,
or what you eat, and
and
it's so nice. I enjoyed it. You
I
know,
enjoyed it. I really
So,
enjoyed it. Now.
Um,
I must say, it's going to be a regular cafe.
yes.
Yeah, for our
And
morning
for,
date.
For those of you out there,
Yes,
you
should-
can try this. The place is actually nice. You know, it's
Yeah, it's a lot of parking. Very easy to find.
very easy to find.
Yeah.
We'll put all the details, I suppose, on the video. Okay, guys. Hope
You are
you
what you
enjoyed.
eat. Enjoy.
healthy.
Be healthy.